Budgeting your trip, a guide to smart travel. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic for all travelers out there: budgeting your trip. Whether you're planning a short getaway or a long vacation, understanding how to manage your finances effectively can make all the difference. So, let's dive into the essentials of trip budgeting and how you can make the most of your travel experiences without breaking the bank. Stay tuned. First things first, let's talk about what budgeting means. Budgeting is the process of creating a plan to spend your money. This planning allows you to determine in advance whether you will have enough money to do the things you need to do or would like to do. When it comes to traveling, budgeting helps you estimate your travel expenses ahead of time, ensuring you can afford the trip you're planning. Now, let's break down the typical costs involved in a trip. Travel costs can be broadly categorized into several key areas. 1. Transportation. This includes flights, trains, buses, or car rentals. Prices can vary greatly, so it's essential to compare options and book in advance. 2. Accommodation. From hotels to hostels and Airbnb, your choice of accommodation will significantly impact your budget. 3. Food and dining. Eating out can be a big part of the travel experience. Budgeting for meals, snacks, and drinks is crucial. 4. Activities and entertainment. Think about the cost of museum tickets, tours, and other experiences you want to enjoy. 5. Emergency funds. Always set aside a small fund for unexpected expenses. Budgeting doesn't mean you can't have fun. Here are some tips to save money while traveling. Book in advance. Early bookings for flights and accommodations often come with discounts. Travel off-season. Prices for many travel services drop during the off-peak season. Use public transportation. It's usually much cheaper than renting a car or taking taxis. Choose accommodations with a kitchen. Cooking some of your meals can save you a lot of money. Look for free activities. Many cities offer free attractions, tours, and events. To help you budget more effectively, consider using budgeting apps and websites. Many of these tools can track your expenses, help you set savings goals, and even alert you to deals on flights and hotels. Doing research and planning ahead is key to staying within your budget. Thank you for watching. Remember, a well-planned budget is your best friend when it comes to traveling. It not only helps you keep your expenses under control but also ensures that you can enjoy your trip to the fullest, without financial stress. We hope this video helps you plan your next adventure more effectively. Safe travels, and see you in our next video.